marshals. It's another good day, you know? And today I will share to you some tips on how to make your abs pop out, no? Especially summer, no, is around the corner, and of course if you're going to the beach, it is much aesthetic if you have those complete set of abs. Maybe some 4 packs will do, or 6 packs, depending on your genetics, of course. So but first of all, these exercises will not work definitely if you are not on a caloric deficit. Exercise and diet always go hand in hand. If you want to learn how to track your calories, no, and make a deficit, I've made a video for that, no. You can watch it. I will also link it on the description box below, no, and on the end screen. Also, if you want to have that aesthetic look when it comes to your abs, no, so you have to train them regularly like any other muscle groups, no, in order for you to have that well balanced physique, no. Plus training your abs, especially your core in general, no, will make your lifts much more explosive, no. So because in every lift, almost every lift, no, you are using your core to stabilize your balance. So in order for you to see those gains or see those results, no, so you have to be consistent. And also progressive overload is key for that, no. So like any other muscle group, if you are feeling comfortable already with your current routine, no, so switch a little bit, increase the reps, increase the intensity, no, and increase the volume, or increase the weight, no? So anything that can be added, no, for that added intensity, no. So yep, without further ado, let's get into the exercise. So this is what I call the triple ab annihilator. It is basically a giant set of ab exercises, no, carefully picked by me. So the first exercise would be the ab pull down, my most favorite ab exercise. Now why? Because you can overload as much as you want, no, provided that the weight is controlled by you, of course. And you can do this on a DIY pulley cable like I'm doing, or on the pulley cable on your gym. Of course, you will do it until failure. So as I've mentioned, this is a giant set, so no rest in between until we complete the whole round. Second exercise, we will go straight to lying leg raises. So do this until failure, of course. Make sure your butt is coming off the ground in each leg raise. So third and final exercise in this giant set is the sitting windshield wipers. So yep, of course, do this until failure and your first round is literally finished. Basically guys, that's our triple ab annihilator, no. So you can do this every after your workout routine. Let's say you will do push day, no, you can do this after that, no? So you can do a total of 3 to 5 rounds, so to get that maximum pump in your abs. So if you're new to the channel, no, be sure to tap that subscribe button along with that bell icon on the side of it so you'll get notified on my next uploads. And don't forget to select all. So don't forget also to like this video, leave a comment down below if this one is effective for you. And don't forget to share it along with your friends. See you again on our next video. Bye bye.